What's up, guys? This is Will, and I'm back with another video. And today I'm going to be taking a look at a Invicta watch. So if you follow my channel for a while, you know I've done quite a few videos on Invicta watches. These are just watches that I like, and I buy them. A lot of people don't think they're great watches. You know, the prices are kind of cheap on them. You could call them cheap, but they're real reasonable price watches. I don't work for them. They're not paying me anything to do these reviews on unboxings on these watches. They're just a brand that I like. I like how big they are. I like how they look. Kind of stylish to me. And I like big watches, so that's why I mainly buy them. I haven't had any problem out of any of the watches that I buy at all. But it's just a brand that I like. So today, I got the Grand Diver automatic watch. This is the 3044 stainless steel. I got the silver and black one. I picked this up off of Amazon on one of their flash sales or whatever they call, where they drop the price on the items for a certain amount of time. And I picked this one up for about half price of what it normally goes for. So let's take a look at it. I know I got some subscribers that look forward to these type of reviews, but it's been a long time since I did a review on one of these. And let's take a look at it. Normally, this is my first time buying one off of Amazon. So you can see I got some of my other watches in the background back there that I've had for a while. All of these I've done videos on. So here's the box that it comes in from Amazon. Oh, we got another box inside. Another yellow box. So let's get this out of here. Take a look at it. So here's the box, kind of a clam shell looking box. Got Invicta on it there. So let's get into it and see what we got. So there's the watch. And you get your normal paperwork and stuff here. You get a warranty card here. You get some more warranty information. And that's about it as far as paperwork. It kind of changed it up since on this part I've always had yellow color ones there. So let's put this over to the side here. Get the watch out. And that's the way the case looks right there. I'm gonna put that there. Let's get this unwrapped here. So I wanted another automatic. I've got one automatic, and I wanted to get another one. The automatics, as you guys know, you don't have to wind them up. They wind by your movement of your wrist. So here's the watch. I want to go over some of the features about the watch. Okay, so the watch weighs 1 pound. This is the men's Invicta. Like I said, it's the 3044 edition of it. It's a 47 millimeters across, 18 millimeters thick. Has a stainless steel band. The band is 10 millimeters wide. It has a black unidirectional bezel. It has a second hand on here. Has Japanese automatic movement, and it's water resistant up to 300 meters. Has a skeletal see-through back case here. It's molded diving helmets on it. We'll get to all that in a minute. Screw down crown on it, and anti-reflective crystal with magnification dial right there, date. So let's get some of this plastic off here so we can take a look at this beauty. Yep, you don't have fingernails, it's hard to get that stuff off of there. All right, we got it. So here's the watch here. So you can see it's a beautiful watch. Got the unidirectional bezel here. Now this does have the little illuminated dials on the points on the face right there. Like I said, I'm not a watch expert, so on the side of it, you can see it's got Grand Diver. I kind of like that touch right there. Makes it look real good to me. On this side, Invicta. A lot of people call these knockoff knockoff Rolexes, and maybe so, but like I said, I don't get into all that part of it. I just buy the watches because I like the way they look. And here's the clasp right here. So you see it has some Invicta branded on it there. And the way you open this up, it's got some like a little safety deal here so you don't get it open. So really looking good, great looking band here as well. As you can see the see-through back on it there with the movement there to wind it as you're moving your wrist. But yeah, you got your magnifying thing there. 47 millimeters wide, as you can see. Let me show it to you next to another 47. So as you can see, these watches are pretty big, man, when you got them on your wrist. That's a 47 right there that I've had. The big boy over here. So this one here is like a 52, I think it is. I got videos on this as well on the channel. There's the big boy, as you can see, the thickness and the crystal on this one is a whole lot bigger than this one. And then I got this one over here. I think this is a 50 millimeter across. As you can see the difference in the size. So yeah, man, this is just my brand of watch. I like big watches like this. I'm gonna set that one right there. And I'm also wearing this is a 47 as well right here. So let me take this one off and I'm gonna put that one on my arm. Let you kind of get a feel how that one would look. All right, so let's take a look at it here. All right, so this is what this would look like on my wrist. As you can see, covers the wrist pretty good. And I like big watches like this, heavy watches, so that's the way that one would look. So yeah, guys, that's a look at the Invicta that's the Grand Diver 3044 model. New one that I picked up, and I really like the color of it as well. See, it's got the magnified date right there. All of this stuff glows in the dark right there. You do have your diver's helmet there, logo. Just a beautiful looking watch to me, in my opinion. But that's a look at it, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll catch y'all in the next video. We're out.